We're filling you in on the latest vaccination requirements for students in this week's Morgantown Minute. Did you know that this fall, 7th and 12th graders will have to prove they've had their Tdap and meningitis shots before they can start school? The Monongalia County Health Department says 7th graders must show proof of a booster dose of the Tdap vaccine, which protects against tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis, and a dose of MCV4, or the meningitis vaccine. 12th graders must show proof of a single dose of Tdap plus a booster dose of MCV4 if the first dose of MCV4 was given before the child's 16th birthday. If the first dose was given after the 16th birthday, then a booster dose is not required. With all these shots required, the immunization schedule can be difficult to follow. Take your child to their doctor for a routine adolescent checkup to determine if your child's shots are current and meet the 2012-2013 school entry requirements. For more information or to schedule a vaccination checkup, call Public Health Nursing Services at the Mon County Health Department at 304-598-5109. Thanks for watching this week's Morgantown Minute.